Hey all, welcome back to the second video of this Solidity series. And in this video, we're going to explain you the necessary tools that we need to develop Solidity and smart contracts. So there are a few things, they're actually not much. So first thing that we need is Node.js. This is our engine, our runtime environment, and I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys who would be working on this would be familiar with what Node.js and JavaScript environment is. The editor that we are going to use is VS Code, and Hardhat is our tool to compile, test, and deploy the contract. So these are the three main things that we are going to focus on initially. There's an alternate called Remix from Ethereum where you can also develop smart contracts, but we're not going to choose that because we are developers. We're going to work with the real tag. So you could have a computer of any operating system, good internet connection, a Node.js installed in your system, a VS Code, and a one-time process that you need to go through. Node.js, of course, is our runtime engine. Uh, VS Code is our text editor that we're going to write on, and we can use a extension called Hardhat Solidity, but it's optional, of course. And then the Hardhat is our tool that we're going to use to compile the program. Okay, so Hardhat is being run over Node.js because it uses JavaScript as its runtime, and that's the reason Node.js environment is required. What we're going to do next is we're going to use VS Code to install to make the project, uh, initialize Hardhat, and install and work on Node.js. So I'm going to walk you through the installation steps. So let's continue on that. Okay, so you can see that on my screen I have VS Code already open up. And first thing that we're going to check is to see if we have Node installed. So if I go to node-v, you can see Node 24 is here, but the minimum version is 22. You can also use 22. So how to install Node? I wouldn't say you just install Node. I would suggest that you install Node.js via NVM because NVM will help you install Node.js with whatever version you like. For example, right now you can see on my VS Code that it's Node 24. However, if I want to develop on Node 22, I'll just do command nvm use 22 and it's going to switch me to 22. However, if I want to go back to 24, that's not a problem. I can also do that. So you can see that I can use either 22 or 24. So I would always suggest use Node with NVM instead of downloading the Node on the core level. Okay. So it's asking us to install some extension, which we do not need at this moment. However, if you want to do that, you can. So it's asking us to make a project folder, which I already created. And I'm on my project already uh, inside VS Code. And then it's asking us to install Hardhat. Yeah, so let's do that. So it's asking me to install Hardhat, which I would say yes. So using Node, it's going to install Hardhat for us, which it's doing now. Here you go. The Hardhat is installed. It's asking me to install Hardhat 3 or 2. I would say 3 because it's for the new project. So let's do that. Where would you like to initialize the project? Just here. I would say minimal Hardhat project would be sufficient for now, and it's asking if I want to run it now, which I would say yes. Okay, so yeah, with this, the Hardhat is installed on our folder, and it's asking us to run Hardhat help, which it ran. It confirms that the Hardhat is installed, and then it's asking us to compile. It's downloading Solidity right now for the compilation, and then it says no contracts to compile, which makes sense. We haven't created any contracts yet. So I wouldn't do much in this video, but I'll wait for next video to work on our first Solidity contracts. So I'm just going to explain you our Solidity project structure. So contracts is the folder where our Solidity contracts lie. Test is our testing of the contracts. These scripts folders is the folder in which we are going to put our deploy file, like deploy.js. This hardhat config is our configuration for the hardhat, which might include some deployment details as well. And package.json is our hardhat dependency file. So you can see this is the minimal configuration file. This is our package.json with minimal dependencies, which could of course be more later on. This is our TypeScript file for us. Okay, so I hope this video was clear. So I have explained you our editor, I have explained you the Node version and NVM, and I've explained you how to install Hardhat into the project. Next video, we're actually going to create our first small Solidity contract.